صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on Ushr, that is, 1/10 of the yield, be levied as Zakät, is to be imposed on the yield of the land, which is either irrigated by rain or the running water channel. Umar bin Abdul Aziz did not consider Ushr compulsory on honey. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, may Allah be pleased with them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, on a land irrigated by rain water, or by natural water channels, or if the land is wet due to a nearby water channel, Ushr, that is 1/10, is compulsory as Zakāt. And on the land irrigated by the well, half of an Ushr, that is 1/20th, is compulsory as Zakāt on the yield of the land.